Is your Windows 11 PC feeling a little slow or cluttered? Wintoys brings several optimization tools together in one place, making it easier to manage your system. In this guide, I'll show you how to use Wintoys to optimize Windows 11 safely and efficiently. Let's get started. First, launch Wintoys from the Start menu or your desktop shortcut. Once it opens, you'll see an overview of your computer along with several categories for managing performance, apps, storage, and system settings. Start by opening the Apps section. Here, you can review the software installed on your computer and remove applications you no longer need. Freeing up unused programs can help reduce storage usage and simplify system management. Avoid uninstalling apps unless you're sure you don't need them. Next, head to the Performance section and review your startup applications. Programs that launch automatically when Windows starts can increase boot time. If you recognize an app that doesn't need to start every time, you can consider disabling it. Leave security software and anything you're unsure about enabled. Now open the Health section to check available maintenance options. Depending on your system, you may find tools related to storage cleanup, repair features, and other maintenance settings. These can help keep your Windows installation organized over time. Finally, open the Tweaks section. Here you'll find optional settings for File Explorer, privacy, desktop behavior, and other Windows features. Before making several changes, it's a good idea to create a system restore point so you can easily undo them if needed. Apply tweaks one at a time and test your computer before changing additional settings. And that's how you can optimize Windows 11 with Wintoys. By reviewing your apps, startup programs, maintenance options, and system tweaks carefully, you can keep your PC running smoothly without making unnecessary changes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.